Talk to Kristen Davis from UC Irvine, a professor of civil and environmental engineering. Professor, we appreciate you being with us. So when you look at another oil spill on the Pacific coast here, and you think of the environmental impact, and I mean, there are workers right behind you right now trying to pick up the pieces of crude, those blobs that are out there, and trying to get this place back to normal. This is not a fast process. What goes into a cleanup effort like this?
Yeah, well, I think there's clearly a lot of effort going on right now, but I think for me, this oil spill is an acute, very visible sign of the dangers of fossil fuels. Sure. But I think that our marine ecosystem is under pressure from climate change, from our long reliance on fossil fuels, and that is going to take us a lot of work to figure out how to get off of those fossil fuels. I mean, I think rising sea surface temperatures, rising sea level, ocean acidification, those are all also products of our reliance on fossil fuels, even though they're not as visible as an oil spill.
Well, Professor Davis, when we're talking about an oil spill like this, what is the climate impact as far as the ecological system around here? It can't help, right? This has got to have a major negative impact on our climate.
Well, I think it has, the spill has a local effect. Okay. But I think what I'm saying is that while that is a visible local effect, and we'll be dealing with it for years, sure, in terms of the wildlife and the cleanup, I also think it's important to realize that the effect of fossil fuels is much broader than the spill that we're seeing here today, and that we have a big challenge ahead of us as we go into talks next month, COP26 International Climate Talks in Glasgow. We really need to, I hope that this spill is a wake-up call to get serious about getting off of fossil fuels. It's
really the big picture of the entire climate that we're talking about.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Kristen Davis, we're grateful for you. Thank you for coming out and spending some time here on the beach. I wish we could go down to the beach, but we can't because of an oil